और Kapatisi TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Commissioner and Secretary Ubakmi Ïakren Bording Sanjay Goyal Ulaithu baka Sorkar Jala Kadang Ïakren bat ki agency nagbentaban bu yaki pump storage project ha Meghalaya khanang ban pentingna ba kini ki project kin penminto yaki nongshina bat yakajala ha ka Ïakren bat kilat pathai kubor ha ka arphundai trek unailar arajar apsan Goyal ulabatai ba yaki pump storage project Lashna penwandur ban penmi yaka Bording habajur ka jingdawa Bording kamtam hakapor barang terkhong baneng.
That's a bit of surprise to us because we were going ahead and waiving off the entire delayed payment surcharge, which is a big amount, and we are slightly tweaking this scheme now, the second round of it, and very soon we'll be coming up a similar kind of scheme, but with some more benefits to the consumers.
During the first cabinet retreat, a lot of suggestions were made, and recently you had the second one to review this. So how is the status of the review?
See, all these points which we have been discussing were the agenda point in the first cabinet retreat, wherein some specific tasks were given to us in terms of exploring the possibilities, as you mentioned about the thermal plant, the other hydro options, involvement of the private players, improving our performance, bringing down our losses. So this all has been presented and before the second cabinet retreat, and the Honorable Cabinet has noted down the tasks which have been given to us and their progress, and we will take it forward wherever the things have not been closed as far as the tasks are given. Active listing, as we have already mentioned, that it is with the private developer. We have going ahead and it should see the light of the day, and we are in active involvement with the developer.
A new initiative like pump storage, what is the status?
The state government has taken a call that the pump storage setup should be beneficial to the developer as well as to the state. The concept of the pump storage is basically the availability of the power during the peak demand. As of now, the state has maintained that since the peak demand is not of the kind of category which the size of the pump storage projects are there, which are in the offering in the state. So we are in negotiation with the agencies who are planning to set up these pump storage to see that what kind of commercial benefit the state can get out of it.